Hello everyone, I am Salokesh from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Currently, I have done a project of to-do list using JavaScript. Basically, this is the implementation of to-do list using Java. In this to-do list concept, I have mainly used sort of four different concepts in JavaScript, which is closure, callback, and promise, and async and await. When it comes when it comes to closure, it refers to such that we have, as you can see here, we have a list of all. In this all can be altered using the methods such as add and filter by data. Other methods in this array, even after returning the value of all, we can use these methods and return edit the value. And the second one is callback. Callback is a function passed as an as an argument to the other function, which is then invoked after some operation has been completed. As you can see in here is the add function. Here the message of console log, which will return added the submit assignment for the title of submit assignment, and similarly for the rent and the other services which we have done. Here the callback will be work and returns a add message as message. At here you can see this the callback implementation by using async and await, and I have set a timeout. After the 100 seconds of the timeout, it will automatically implements the callback. And also the other one is promise. When it comes to promise, as you can see here, I have simulate the async by using promise. When I read here, you can see that I have awaits towards mark as compared to the second one, which makes the second one, which has the today rent as the completed marker, as it has been completed. But then that will go to here and it will be completed will be considered as true, and it will returns the value as the completed one. And async and coming up to async and await, while working with the promises, it allows the asynchronously code to look synchronous. In this code, uh, async functions handles in the add, as you can see here in the add function, where add and to display list, you can see here we are using promise, and we are also using async here to use it set by setting some timeout function to 100 seconds milliseconds. We are simulating that, and for the to-do list we have to simulate, according to our question, we have to simulate the filtering of data into three main things, which is overdue, due today, and due later. Overdue, when it comes to overdue, when the value of the date is less than the current date, and due today means we have to complete the work today, which means the due date and the today date should be equal, as you can see here, which we have written the condition. And similarly due later, which means the due date value should be higher than the today's value. By that we are returning the things here, which helps us to simulate the things which we have added. As you can see, we have added these four things, and not only that, and we in these four things we have marked the second one as completed, which comes as to second one as service values. As you can see, the second one mark as completed second one doesn't mean that the second one in the added list. It means that we have completed in due today list are completed. Here the second list, which means that due today, not the second one. And we are returning the all the values by using the console log. here.